Yo, welcome back to my channel, y'all. And guess what we talking about today? My favorite style of dashing, my favorite strategy, the laziest shit you ever seen in the world, but I make good money doing it. All right, so my favorite strategy, I got a name for it. I call it decline till you die. Decline till you die. And I want to introduce y'all to this before I start making these decline till you die episodes. So basically what I do is, on a slow day, I can't do this, but on a busy day or a semi-busy day, I decline till I motherfucking die, y'all. I will not move this motherfucking car for less than $15. And if it's $15, it's gotta be 10 miles or under. You know what I mean? You gotta be under 10 miles. Only exceptions that I make are with my stacked orders. You know, I need my stacked orders to be looking real 17-ish, 18-ish. So that's not a $15 per order, you know what I mean? So if you see those line up at the end of the night, you see some orders under $15, just know those are stacked orders. Because I'm not on my decline till I die days. I am not accepting no bullshit. I will sit here, right here. I will sit here for hours and decline if I fucking have to. That's never happened to me before, but I will sit here. I don't care. I will not move. I will save my gas for the good ass dinner time. That's what I do. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I will not move for no bullshit. No trash orders, no mediocre orders, only great orders, at least $12 tips, $10 tips, something like that. Whatever it takes to make my order $15 and up, y'all, up. So, today, it's Friday. I got started early. I'm not doing it today. I'm gonna do it Saturday and Sunday. I'm gonna make some episodes for y'all, let y'all see how it works out for me, you know, so y'all can see whether I'm dumb as hell or maybe I'm on to something, you know. So I just want to introduce y'all to the term, you know what I mean? Decline till I die. Decline till I die, y'all. Talking about I will sit here, y'all. I am not playing no games, man. Another thing I want to talk about, do y'all like taking long distance orders? Let me know in the comment how you feel about long distance orders. So if it's $15 for 10 miles, would you take that? Me, I take that all day long. All day long. That's $1.50 per mile. I'm gonna take that all day long. I'd rather do a $15 order than a $7 order any day. You know what I mean? 10 miles. Cause I never do a $7 order for 10 miles. Never that. I need at least $1.50 per mile, and that's what I need. I like taking long orders because on my way back, I seem to get great orders on my way back. Like if I drive 10 miles and it's busy, I always seem to get another big order on my way back. So they paying me for my mileage back and all of that. Like, you know what I mean? I see a lot of unicorns on my way back from a long order. I see a lot of hidden tips on my way back from a 10-mile order. I see a lot of $30 orders, $40 orders, $25 orders, $20 orders on my way back on a busy day from a 10-mile order. I don't know, you know. I kind of almost expect to see a good order on my way back during busy hours now. Like dinner time, I already know I'm about to get something on the way back. Like I don't even mind taking long orders. And even if I don't get something on the way back, it was still worth it. I could still make $25, $30 an hour at least. So that's my method, y'all. Decline till you die. Man, let me know how y'all feel about that in the comments, and let me know how y'all feel about these videos coming up, man. Y'all want to see these videos and how much I make? Are y'all interested in that? Let me know, man. Give me some likes. If you ain't subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like that that don't even exist yet. But guess what? They about to exist this weekend. And on another note, this weekend, I'm about to make $1,000. I'm not even gonna say I'm trying to make $1,000. I am going to make $1,000. I'm out here today. I got out here at 8:30 in the morning. I never do that. Never. I don't like coming out here before 11 o'clock. I never do that. But guess what? I need to make $350 all 3 of these days. So I'm coming out here at 8 o'clock every morning and I'm gonna record this for y'all, let y'all see how I'm doing today. I'm not declining till I die. I'm gonna have a video for today too, but I'm not declining till I die. I started off, so I got a couple different methods, man. I got a couple different names for them too. So the method that I'm doing in the morning time, I call it the top dasher method. You know, I'm gonna accept 70%, well, probably more than 70% of the orders that come until 11 o'clock, because my area is not good for breakfast. You know, I didn't feel like using my gas to go to another area, using GridWise to figure out which areas is good in the morning. You know, GridWise got that the GridWise app. I don't know if y'all know about that. The GridWise app got the where and when feature, where they basically tell you when the orders is popping. You know what I'm saying? When and where the orders is popping. That's what they tell you. I ain't feel like going through all of that. I like this area. I know it's Friday. It's gonna have some bangers around dinner time. I'm probably gonna pick up some unicorns from like 12 to 2. You know what I mean? We gonna see how it goes. I don't know. I'm just talking. That's how it usually goes for me. So I'm just talking. Hey, let's get it, y'all. All right, man. I just want to introduce y'all to the Decline Till You Die, and I want to let y'all know to look out for this $1,000 weekend that I'm about to pull off for sure. I'm about to start it off today. So all right, man. I hope y'all have a good dash today. I know y'all dashing on Friday, man. Don't skip out on Fridays. If you're gonna skip a day, skip Tuesday and Wednesday, man. I like Monday, so skip Tuesday and Wednesday. Those the trash days, man. If you want to take a couple days off, if you're doing this full time, take those days off. You know what I mean? So far this week, I haven't taken any days off, and I'm gonna let y'all know how much I made this week. It's probably gonna be around the 1,700 to 2,000 range, cause I'm making 1,000 this weekend for sure. I'm already at 900 for the week. I'm at 931 hours for the week. So let's get it. All right. Pay attention. If you need some tips or you got any questions, just ask me in the comments. If you ask me a Doordash question, I'm liable to make a whole video about your question. So, knowing that, I'm gonna end this video, and I hope y'all have a good ass dash, man. Let's get it. I'm about to have